Have you ever wondered what it's like to drive a palace on wheels? Not just ride in the back, but actually command it. The Rolls-Royce Phantom isn't just a car. It's the ultimate statement of luxury and history. Since 1925, the Phantom has been the chariot of royalty, rock stars, and industry titans. Getting the keys feels like inheriting a legacy, substantial, weighty, and full of promise. Press the start button and the V12 engine whispers to life. So quiet you check the gauges to be sure. This is the beginning of the legendary magic carpet ride. Rolls-Royce promises total isolation from the outside world, and the Phantom delivers. Every detail is crafted by masters. Every moment behind the wheel feels special. The anticipation, the silence, the effortless power. This isn't just driving, it's an experience. For a few hours, you're not just traveling, you're gliding in a masterpiece. The Phantom doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them. This is the car every other luxury vehicle aspires to be, and today it's all yours. You don't just see a Rolls-Royce Phantom, you behold it. Its sheer presence is staggering, massive yet graceful, with every line deliberate. The iconic Pantheon grille and spirit of ecstasy set the tone. Pure theatre, never overdone. Laser headlights, flawless paint, and sculpted lines make it a rolling work of art. People stop, stare, and snap photos. The Phantom commands respect without trying. Pulling up in one sends a clear message: you appreciate the best. The famous coach doors open wide, inviting you in with a sense of occasion. A gentle touch closes them silently. Luxury in every detail. Every interaction is smooth and effortless, from the first glance to the final step out. The Phantom isn't about flash. It's about inhabiting a different world. It's a symbol of success, engineered to make you feel special. Even valets and other drivers treat it with reverence. The design is timeless yet modern, a masterclass in elegance. You don't just enter a Phantom, you make an entrance. This is luxury, redefined. Step inside and the Phantom becomes a sanctuary. The aroma of fine leather and real wood greets you. No plastic, just authentic luxury. Seats are thrones, wrapped in flawless leather, stitched by hand. The dashboard, called the gallery, lets you display custom art behind a single pane of glass. Personalization is limitless. 44,000 paint colors, custom embroidery, even a Starlight Headliner. If you can dream it, Rolls-Royce can build it. Technology is hidden until needed. Screens vanish, controls are crystal smooth. The focus is serenity, not distraction. Every detail is crafted for comfort and individuality. The Phantom is a rolling art gallery, tailored to its owner. It's not about gadgets, it's about creating a tranquil, bespoke environment. Here, craftsmanship isn't a feature, it's the foundation. This is luxury at its most personal. Beneath the hood, a twin-turbo V12 delivers immense power, silently. Over 560 horsepower, yet the cabin is eerily quiet, thanks to massive sound insulation and foam-filled tires. The magic carpet ride is real air suspension, reads the road and smooths every bump. The Phantom glides over potholes as if they don't exist. Steering is light. Four-wheel steering makes it surprisingly nimble. It's not a sports car, it's about serene, effortless progress. On the open road, the Phantom wafts along, power always on tap, acceleration seamless. You arrive more refreshed than when you started. Advanced driver aids work invisibly. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, 360 cameras. Technology supports, never intrudes. The focus is pure pleasure. Classic luxury meets modern tech. Every drive is an event, not just a journey. The Phantom is a sanctuary on wheels. This is effortless control, perfected. After a day with the Phantom, you understand its legend. It's not just the materials or the silence, it's the feeling of calm, confidence, and control. The Phantom transforms travel into something extraordinary. It's the benchmark for luxury. Every other car is measured against it. Rolls-Royce pursues perfection, never trends. The Phantom is the purest expression of that philosophy. Even as the future turns electric, the spirit of the Phantom will endure. Luxury will always mean comfort, silence, and bespoke craftsmanship. The technology may change, but the essence remains. Driving a Phantom is unforgettable. A glimpse into a world where only the best will do. It's more than a car, it's a masterpiece, a cultural icon. For any car lover, it's the ultimate dream come true. That was your first drive in the Rolls-Royce Phantom. Ultimate luxury at its finest. If you enjoyed it, hit like, subscribe, and the bell, and tell me your favorite Phantom feature in the comments. See you next time.